Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 1, Living World and Classification of Microbes, Part 3. In last part, we learned that Robert Whittaker classified all the living organisms into 5 kingdoms. Number 1, Monera. Number 2, Protista. Number 3, fungus. Number 4, plants. And number 5, animals. In this part, we discuss about the characteristics of organisms belonging to these kingdoms. Before discussing about characteristics of the kingdoms, we learn some concept of this chapter. These are: what is the meaning of autotrophs, what is meaning of heterotrophs, what are the prokaryotes, what are the eukaryotes, and what are the saprophytes. Number 1, autotrophs. The organisms which produces their own food are called as autotrophs. For example, plants produces their food by the process photosynthesis. They produce their food with the help of chlorophyll. Number 2, heterotrophs. The organisms which do not produces their own food, or the organisms which depend on another organism for the food, are called as heterotrophs. For example, human, many animals are the example of heterotrophs. Then number 3, what are the prokaryotes? Prokaryotes, and what is the meaning of prokaryotic cell? The cell in which definite nucleus and cell organelle are not present or absent are called as prokaryotic cell. In this cell, nucleus or cell organelle are not distinct, they are not visible, and the organisms in which prokaryotic cells are present are called as prokaryotes. Many unicellular organisms are example of prokaryotes, for example amoeba. Number 4, eukaryotes. The cell in which distinct nucleus and cell organelles are present are called as prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus and cell organelles are easily visible, and the organisms containing prokaryotic cell are called as prokaryotes. Many plants and animals are the examples of eukaryotes. And number 5, saprophytes. The organisms which obtain their food from dead bodies of plants and animals are called as saprophytes. many mushrooms are the example of saprophytes. Fungus are the saprophytes. These are the some concepts which are important for this point. Now we discuss about the characteristics of different kingdoms. First, we see the characteristics of kingdom Monera. What are the characteristics of organism belonging to kingdom Monera? Number one, all the organisms belonging to Monera kingdom are unicellular. Number one, all the organisms belonging to Monera kingdom are unicellular. Number two, the organism belonging to this kingdom are autotrophic or heterotrophic. Number three, the organism belonging to Monera kingdom are prokaryotes. The organism belonging to this kingdom are prokaryotes. Number 4, all the blue-green algae and bacteria are included in Monera kingdom. And number 5, examples, the lactobacilli bacteria which are found in curd or buttermilk are the examples of Monera kingdom. Bacteria like Vibrio cholerae, Salmonella typhi also the examples of this kingdom. Now, number 2, characteristics of Protista kingdom. Number 1, all the organisms belonging to Protista kingdom are unicellular. Number 2, organisms belonging to Protista kingdom are autotrophs or heterotrophs. Number 3, the organisms belonging to Protista kingdom are eukaryotes. Number 4, the organisms belonging to this kingdom have different organs for locomotion or movement. Some have pseudopodia, some have crispy-like structure, and some have flagella. And number 5, examples of Protista. The autotrophs are Euglena and Holwhawks, and examples of this kingdom which are heterotrophs are amoeba, paramecium, and plasmodium. Number 3, kingdom fungi or fungus. Characteristics of this kingdom. Number 1, the organism belonging to this kingdom are multicellular. Number 2, the organism belonging to fungus kingdom are heterotrophs or heterotrophic. Number 3, the organism belonging to this kingdom are eukaryotes. Number 4. The organisms of this kingdom obtain their food from dead bodies of plant and animals, and hence they are called as saprophytes. They are also called as decomposer. Example: bakerfish, aspergillus fungus found on the corn. Number 3. Different kinds of mushroom are the examples of this kingdom. And fourth kingdom is a plant. They are multicellular, they are heterotrophic. The characteristics of plant kingdom are studied by us in class 9. And number 5, the kingdom animal. The characteristics of this kingdom we have to study in the class 10th. They all are heterotrophs. They are all are eukaryotes. They all are multicellular. These are the main characteristics of this group. Many animals like goat, monkey, donkey, humans are the example of this kingdom. So these are the different kingdoms made by the Robert Whittaker, and these are the characteristics of these kingdoms. See you